Okay, now that we can kind of sketch a nice head shape in front view and in profile, let's start to talk about some proportions. Notice how lightly I'm drawing this shape because I want it to stay wide open for changes. I want to be able to go in and move this thing around a great deal, okay? And actually, sorry, it's off camera. I'm going to draw it over again right here. So these are the little tools that I use in my preliminary drawing to establish essentially a compound shape, right? Okay, and now we can kind of tidy up, and here's a little shape. Now, if we take the head and we'll divide it down the middle. There's the bottom, and let's put a line directly in the middle, and then from here to here, we'll put a line directly in the middle. I'm going to go a little bit higher, and then from here to here, we'll put a line directly in the middle. And without taking time to shape the features, I'm going to place features, okay? So we're going to start out with the eye and the eye, okay? And eyes are typically one eye width apart, okay? So from here to here, to there, and there's usually an eye width to the side too. So then we can use these eyes to tell us to widen our face a little bit. This represents the bottom of the nose, and I'm not going to go in depth shaping the nose right this moment. All I want to do is I want to draw a little triangle that represents the shadow underneath the nose. This represents the bottom of the lower lip. So if I come from there and I go up, the top lip will be here, and kind of in the middle of those corners of the mouth. So we have this little shape, which is essentially a short line, a long line with 2 points. And these 2 points are about as far apart as the middle of those eyes, okay? Up from the eyes, we have the brow. Here's the brow, okay? Between the brow and the bottom of the nose, on the side of the head, that's where we have our ears. Okay. So first, these are the first proportions we're going to start to work with when we draw a person. Between here and the top, you can cut it in two. That can be the top of the hairline. Okay. Okay. Now let's take this and look at it in profile. Again, compound shape. We can use the shape of an oval there. We can start with a box shape here. However, it will change. This part will come up in the back. The neck comes off this way. And this is a very thick neck, which means this is a male. Center. Here's the center. Here's a line from there to here. Center. Over from the center. Eyes. One eye. Okay, right on the center. Above that is the line of the brow. From here to the chin. Bottom of the nose. In profile, to begin with, I'm going to draw the nose like that, just like a little triangle, okay? From here down, the center of this space, which is a little bit lower, represents the bottom of the lower lip. Now forward. If you go from here to the back and you find the center, the ear begins behind the center at the level of the brow to the level of the nose. And these are the general proportions of the head, okay?